Look, look! Lilo and Stitch are here! Hello, my sweet friends! Today we are going to color Stitch and Lilo. Let's start with Stitch's ears and color them pink. Wow, are you ready? Let's get started! I really like Stitch. Now, what's next? Let's use our blue for his eyes and tummy. Yup, that's right, blue. His eyes are blue. And his tummy is blue too. And for his body, we are going to use our dark blue color. That's right, dark blue. I'm so excited. You can color along with me. Now let's move on to his body, arms and legs. They are dark blue too. Okay, well done. Who is next? That's right, Lilo's turn. Let's color Lilo's special beautiful skin with light brown. That's right, light brown. She is so pretty. Now, let's color her hands, arms, and legs. Keep going. You are doing an excellent job. Now, let's make Lilo's eyes dark brown. And then, let's color her hair with gray and black color. That's right, gray and black. Great job! You are an artist. Now, let's color her tongue pink and her mouth red. Great job! Pink and red. Wow, you know the colors. I'm so proud of you. Wow! Look at her beautiful dress. Let's use our red color. I really like her dress. What about you? It's so beautiful. And finally, let's color her slippers blue. Yes, blue. And let's add some shadows. Ta-da! We did it! Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye!